guys? It's your boy KC Fowler, one half of the Foul Lakers podcast, host of the Melanin Warriors podcast, bringing you the Kids Genius Hour with.
Hi, you guys. I'm Leah, and we're going to be talking about how I want to be a pediatrician.
Oh wow, a pediatrician, huh? So you want to work with kids, huh?
Yes.
I guess my first question is obviously, what made you want to be a pediatrician?
I watched a show. It's called Grey's Anatomy, and like some of the characters, they are pediatricians, and I really like how they handle the kids and do with kids and stuff like that.
Oh, that's pretty awesome. I heard Grey's Anatomy is a good show. I haven't watched it myself, but okay. So what path do you think you're gonna need to get there, like school and things like that?
I believe I'm supposed to be getting like good grades, of course, passing all my classes and stuff, and like successful myself and stuff like that, like going to the next grade and continue doing what I'm doing to success.
So basically being successful in school and keep climbing that ladder until you want to get where you want to go. And that's what you should do. I mean, pediatricians sound like it's going to be a tough job, a challenging job, but I know you. I'm sure you can handle that. I know you got it. I know you got it. So being a pediatrician, so let's do a hypothetical question. So let's say you have a very bad kid and you're dealing with it. How would you go about dealing with a bad kid?
This is what I do. First off, I tell their parents to calm them down first before I start to try to calm them down. And then I'll try to talk to them and like tell them to calm down and like just chill out and let me see what's wrong with you.
Okay. So do you know how long it'll take for you to become a pediatrician?
No.
Okay. I'm pretty sure that any doctor or anything like that, that's going to be a whole lot of school. And I know you're just about to get into high school, and it's real good that you already have a plan for your future, your career, I should say, in mind and everything like that. Do you have a certain college you would like to go to?
I want to go to Maryville University. It's in Montgomery, Alabama.
Oh, okay. So you already know what school you want to go to, everything like that. So that's awesome. There's not too many melanin young ladies that are really in the pediatrician field that I know of. I might be wrong. Somebody might see this like, oh, there's thousands of us. But I really, as far as I know in my experience, so that is really, really awesome that you want to be a pediatrician. We here at the Melanin Warriors podcast wish you all the luck. You have all our support and, getting to where you want to get to. So before we close this thing out, you got anything you want to say to the people?
You guys follow my TikTok at Leah Always with 2 T's at the end. And that's about it.
All right, y'all make sure y'all follow her TikTok. Melanin Warriors is also following her TikTok. So with that being said, it's your boy KC Fowler, one half of the Foul Lakers podcast, host of the Melanin Warriors podcast, bringing you yet another Kids Genius Hour with our future pediatrician, Malia. So y'all make sure y'all like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. And hey, we out.
Bye, you guys.